Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program welcomes you all. Today we are going to learn a new lesson number 12. Dr. Dolittle learns animal language. Dear students, we all use language for communication. But do you know what animals do for communication? Yes, animals also communicate with each other and their language is different from us. In this lesson, we are going to learn about animal language. So, let's start with the lesson. Now listen, doctor, said Polynesia, and I will tell you something. Did you know that animals can talk? I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. Oh, we parrots can talk in two languages, people's language and bird language, said Polynesia proudly. If I say Polly wants a biscuit, you understand me. But hear this ka ka oi fee fee. Good gracious, cried the doctor. What does that mean? That means, is the porridge hot yet? In bird language. My, you don't say so, said the doctor. You never talked that way to me before. What would have been the good? Said Polynesia, dusting some biscuit crumbs off her left wing. Here there is a new word. Dusting off means removing dirt or dust from something. You would not have understood me if I had. Dear students, here in the story, Polynesia is the name of a parrot. Polynesia gave some important information about animal languages to the Dr. Dolittle. Polynesia said that parrots can talk in two languages, in people's language and in bird language also. Now, let's learn the remaining story. Tell me some more, said the doctor, all excited, and he rushed over to the dresser drawer and came back with a notebook and a pencil. Now, don't go too fast, and I will write it down. This is interesting, very interesting. Something quite new. Give me the birds ABC first, slowly now. Here there are two new words. Dresser means a cupboard with shelves, drawers, etc. And birds ABC means the alphabet of birds language. Simple, basic information about birds language. Now, Dr. Dolittle was very excited to learn a new language, so he came back with a notebook and a pencil to write down the alphabets or ABC of animal language. So, that was the way the doctor came to know that animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another. And all that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table giving him birds' words to put down in the notebook. At tea time, when the dog, Jeep, came in, the parrot said to the doctor, "See, he is talking to you." "Looks to me as though he were scratching his ear," said the doctor. Now, what happened in the story? A dog named Jeep came in and he was talking with the doctor. But the doctor was thinking that the dog was scratching his ear. But animals don't always speak with their mouths, said the parrot in a high voice, raising her eyebrows. They talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything. Sometimes they don't want to make a noise. Do you see now the way he's twitching up one side of his nose? What does that mean? Asked the doctor. That means, can't you see that it had stopped raining? Polynesia answered. He is asking you a question. Dogs nearly always use their noses for asking questions. After a while, with the parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. Then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. Now let's summarize the story. Dr. Dolittle was a people's doctor, but with the help of a parrot named Polynesia, he got to learn the language of animals so well that he could talk to them and understand everything they said. Then the doctor gave up being a people's doctor altogether. Now let's learn meanings. Dusting off means removing dirt or dust from something. Dresser means a cupboard with shelves, drawers, etc. Birds ABC means the alphabet of birds' language, simple basic information about birds' language. I think all of you have understood the lesson. Thank you.